Kumsibanta ban pensuk menyerap ik paiba ka Ribhoi district khamtam gitu ki basale ben ki kunswen ki basara bor bot ki baja na yeng na sem nakaliang Dr. Didi Lapang menteri rang ba barim bat unang ai boit barang ba ka sarkar Meghalaya hakasni sa jan jong katayo balala ulapli paiba ya ka chailine hasabiu hall nongpo harangkat ka jingron lang Dr. Celestine Lengdo MLA bat parliamentary secretary jong ka sarkar Meghalaya kum usambot kongsan hagani kasngi nakaliang ka kong IL Sandram Center coordinator Shillong Chailine kala panchai paiba halor kani ka Chailine kadba nakaliang Dr. Didi Lapang ulapan pau ka jingmen ya ka jingla banwara kani ka Chailine hanang po kabalong ka way na kijaka pedang jong ka Ribhoi wala ong susu balangba kani ka Chailine onsala shisha banyarap ikibriu ki basha leben ki kunswen ki basha rabor bot ki baja na yeng na sem.
Just mean that this is only the duty of the China, because one child commands the spectrum everywhere. Well, the man, maybe that he was talking to say, oh, he's a drug guy. Well, we don't like him. His people cheating. You cannot say like that to a child. A child means very pure, holy, and God's mercy is enveloping us. Well, I'm really glad today you have done this. The fathers are here, the sisters. I used to say fathers and sisters are the ambassadors of God. Why is this so? I met a father and wronged him. He spoke more than a girl. He's a father, how long have been? 45 years. Then I say, how long will you be there? I will continue to be here. It struck my mind. This man came to governors, no parents, no relative, no business, he's not a contractor, he's not a supplier. But he comes because he decided to march ahead with his God.